Hello friends, welcome to online lecture series of discrete mathematics. Now for the today's session we will see what are the different laws of algebra of propositions. So the first law is idempotent law. Idempotent law, that is P or P is equivalent to P, or P and P is equivalent to P. So means both are same, their and or is equivalent to that statement, that is P. Associative laws, right? So P and Q, right? So for this associative laws, so this P or Q bracket or R, so we can like it is equivalent to P or in bracket Q or R. Same here for and, it is in bracket P and Q is equivalent and R is equivalent to P and in bracket Q and R. Commutative laws, that is P or Q is equivalent to Q or P. Same here, P and Q is equivalent to Q and P. So distributive laws, right? So P or Q and R is equivalent to, right? So this is R and this one is R. So P and Q is and P or R. So P or same here, P and in bracket Q or R. So this P and Q is P and R, and there is a OR operation between these two brackets. Identity laws, P or F is equivalent to P, P or T is equivalent to P, P and F is equivalent to F, and P or T is equivalent to T. So complement laws, P or negation P is equivalent to T, P and negation P is equivalent to T. De Morgan's law, this is a very important law. There is De Morgan's law, there is negation of the bracket P or Q is equivalent to negation P and negation Q, that this or convert into a and. Then negation of this bracket containing and is equivalent to P or, so negation P or negation Q. Next, tautology and contradiction. So what is this tautology? So proposition P is a tautology if it is true under all circumstances. It means it contains only T in a final column of its truth table. So this is example, right? That is, we have to prove the statement whether this is a tautology. Is if P then Q is biconditional, negation Q, that is if negation Q then negation P is a tautology. So this see this is a truth table for this statement. So it is the last column for any statement. If a truth value for this last columns, all the truth values are true, then the given statement, right? So given statement, you can say it is a tautology. It is a tautology, that is final column of its truth table contain a truth values T, then it's called as a tautology. And what is a contingency? Contradiction. A statement that is always false is known as a contradiction. That is the last column. Last column is always false. Last column contains all f values is false. So all truth values are false. See here for this. So this is false and this one is false. So all truth values for last column is f. So it's called as a, so it's a contradiction. In contingency, a statement that can be either true or false depending on the truth values of its variable. It's called a contingency. Means here either whatever your final column is here, the final column is a mixture of truth values, either true or false. Means some values are truth values. Truth values is true. Some values, some has truth values are false. Means there is a mixture of T and F. Then this is called as a contingency. So this is either true or false depending on the truth values of its variable. It's called as a contingency. So stop here.